Vivo announces official launch of Vivo X20 and X20 Plus in China. The X series is a smartphone from the X9 and X9 Plus and is the second full-screen smartphone from the V7 Plus, launched in India in early September. The two devices, virtually identical in terms of purely aesthetic profile, differ in both panel sizes and some hardware components. Both devices, X20 and X20 Plus, share design lines and materials, and are visually identical with a sleek and visually pleasing appearance. In addition, Vivo tells us that the Vivo X20 and X20 Plus have been designed based on a characteristic 3D arc that offers better ergonomics, and that the U-shaped antenna of 1.8 mm integrates perfectly in the device thanks to a process of the new generation called the process of nano-injection molding. To finish with the section of finishes, the metal of the carcass receives a fine touch velvety thanks to a pulverization with sand of zirconium. The Vivo X20 comes with a 6.01-inch screen at 1080x2160 pixels. The Super Amoled touch screen. The X20 will come with Qualcomm mid-processors like the Snapdragon 660 SoC, which clocks to 2.2 GHz octa-core. And here, Vivo uses the difference of the X series to not own flagship line. The X20 also comes with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of main memory, a 3,245 mAh battery, and comes with Android 7.1.1 Nougat. The size of the device is 155.85 by 75.15 by 7.2 mm, weighs 159 grams. The Vivo X20 Plus comes with a 6.43-inch Super AMOLED display at 18:9 resolution and a resolution of 1080x2160 pixels. In addition to screen size, the battery size is increased to 3,905 mAh. The dimensions of the X20 Plus are 165.32 by 80.09 by 7.45 mm, weight 181.5 grams. It is powered by the same Snapdragon 660 mobile platform and packs the same amount of RAM. However, storage is limited to 64 GB, but one can add up to an additional 256 GB via micro SD card slot. Including the Face Wake feature, unlock the screen with a Vivo claims it detects up to 128 different facial features before proceeding to unlock the phone. A fingerprint scanner on the back, a Hi-Fi 8K 4376A DAC, supports 2 hybrid SIM, supports 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi 800 2.11 acres, 2.4 GHz plus 5 GHz, Bluetooth 5.0. In addition, X20 and X20 Plus it is equipped with dual rear cameras on both phones in a 12MP plus 5MP combination. The 12MP f/1.8 sensor is unique as it can take images up to 24MP. Pair that with the 5MP secondary sensor and you get high-quality bokeh images. The 12MP f/2.0 dual-pixel front-facing camera uses the same technology and also takes portrait images.